Well, howdy everybody, and welcome back to No Money Slots, playing slots for fun. I'm Grandma Carla, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today we're back here at CashmanCasino.com. We've been playing here for the last couple of days. We've been lucky. We still have 18,766,000 to play with, and today we're going to be spinning 25,000 a spin. The game we're playing today is Luxury Line Timberwolf. Let's go. Now, after I started playing this game, I found out there was some Santa Clauses in one of the pictures. So, anyways, it's a little early, but it's part of this game. And it came up after I started spinning it for a while. So we'll just see. Maybe Santa will bring us some luck. We need money for presents, Santa. So make sure you do your job. Okay. Don't know what that was. Do you? Sounded impressive. I don't know what it was. 2 owls, and they made some noise, so I guess those are wild. Those are probably what you need to get free games. There's the wolves, and like I say, every time we get a little money, we get to listen to that crazy sound in the background. We got a Cash Express over here on the right. You have to see what happens with that. One more. Oh, I guess it has to be 3 right in a row, because we did get another one, but nothing happened. No. All right, come on. We want to see bump, 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 not bump, bump. You can do it. I know you can do it. We've been doing pretty good on this particular website, CashmanCasino.com. No? I think you either got to get the owls or the monies. Looks like a railroad track. Lights that reminds me of a railroad station. So I don't know if there's a train in this slot or what. That's what it reminds me of. Then you got blue werewolves, blue timberwolves, they call them. You got houses covered with snow. You got reindeers and Santa. There's a lot going on in this particular slot. And there's a bear. Got bears and owls. Now that made 2 of them, but I didn't. Okay, so the snow looks like a pile of snow, I think. That must be wild too. Oh, well, no, this right here looks like the moon. Supposed to be the moon, I guess. Okay, there we go. That should be something. Let's hope it. 200,000. We'll take it. See, those kind of look like what you would see at a train station, so this is confusing to me. Going all which ways. I'd like to just get something. Get something to come out. The owls, the tracks, the moons, the Cash Express. Let's go. We need to see something. The little reindeers gave us a little bit. Okay. Let's put this on auto and see if that helps. There is a train. There is a train. You see that blue train up there? I knew those were tracks. Okay, let's go. So far, we haven't gotten a bonus. I don't remember. Did we get a bonus? No, I don't think so. We got some line pays, but so far we haven't gotten the 3 owls in a row, or the moons and the owls, or whatever. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'd like to see the train come out. Cash Express. Okay, so the Cash Express over there has to be the train. There's just so many things on this slot. One more, you would think that you would get something. Okay, we got real magic there. Can we get a bonus? Any kind of bonus? Oh, now that should be something. We got the wolves. Okay, well that's good. Stunning win, it says. I hope so. Let's get a little help because we're running out of time here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet you need 6 of those. Just like every other game. Except for the buffaloes. You need 8. But most of the games we play, you need the 6. So we've gotten the blue wolves a couple of times. Been lucky on that. Okay, and there's a line pay for 62.5. How many? Oh, you need 1 more. Come on. That's only 4. There's so many things to think about on this slot machine. I don't, can't remember them all. Is it the owls you want? Is it the track you want? Is it wolves you want? Is it the Cash Express you know what I mean? It's just going in so many different directions. And it's not giving us a bonus. With all those different choices, it should give us something. Even Santa Claus is in the picture. And Santa's not there. Is that something? I think we won 250. That's nice. Give it a little help. Yep, okay. I'm not quite sure. Okay, well, let me just spin it myself and see what happens. Doesn't want me to stop the automatic, I guess. I guess I gotta hold it. Okay. Is that anything? 75,000. Well, we're almost at that time. We are at that time, actually, for me to say. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. This game, I'm not going to play it again tomorrow because for me it's too confusing. I don't know what to hope for. We just got the Bears, so that paid good. So we got a lot of good line pays. But we didn't get any bonuses. With all the different bonuses the game offers, you would have thought we'd get at least 1. But no. So we're going to put this game on the shelf. Not sure if we'll be back at Cashman Casino or not. We might play another game here because we did. Although we didn't get any bonuses, we did increase our value of our credits. We're up to 20 million. So that's cool, and that's good. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Toodles.